The ANDELI TIG-205 PRO Welder is a versatile machine that combines multiple welding processes into one, making it suitable for various materials such as aluminum, carbon steel, stainless steel, and titanium. Its large 4.3-inch LCD display allows for easy selection of welding modes and adjustments, ensuring precise control over your projects. This welder offers triple hands-free welding controls, allowing you to focus on your work without worrying about deformation or discoloration of the materials. The ANDELI TIG-205 PRO uses advanced IGBT inverters, which significantly enhance its duty cycle, making it efficient and reliable for both beginners and professionals. Equipped with multiple waveforms, this welder minimizes material distortion and noise, while also providing a stable and enjoyable welding experience. Included in the package are essential accessories like a welding foot pedal and various torches, making it a comprehensive solution for your welding needs.